Why are connectors so important and what do they do? Connectors connect, join sentences, words, ideas, clauses, and they are important because they give extra meaning to the following ideas and they help us produce more advanced English structures. Let's have a look today at connectors of purpose, cause, and result. Purpose is why, and typical phrases or expressions that introduce a clause of purpose are in order to, so as to, and so that. And you use them like this. She came to tell me she was leaving the country. This to here is purpose, infinitive of purpose, and is introduced by the word to. She studied hard so as to pass the exam. If we compare she came to, or she came so as to, or she studied hard to pass the exam, or she studied hard so as to pass the exam, there's no difference. I phoned in order to complain about the prices, or I phoned to complain about the prices would be the same. They are like synonyms. They left the country so that they could have a better life. In this case, it's not the same. The meaning is the same, but the construction is different. The that here needs a complete whole idea after it, not only a verb like in the previous one. If you pay attention, after the connector, you have a verb, tell, pass, complain. In this one, you need a full structure, beginning with the subject, they. Then we've got cause or reason, which is literally the cause or the reason for something, like since school was cancelled, we went to the cinema. I mean, the cancellation of the classes was the cause, the reason why we went to the cinema. They didn't play the tennis match because of the rain. Pay attention. Because of can only be followed by a noun phrase or a gerund. Because of the rain. Because of the weather. He decided not to sit for the exam because he was not ready to pass it. Let's compare because and because of. When because is alone, you continue with the full sentence. When because is with of, and I repeat, you use a noun phrase. Due to behaves very similarly to because of the fog or due to the fog. Cars are not allowed to go faster than 20 kilometers per hour. And finally, we've got result. So this is what happens after the cause. Susan did not prepare her lesson well, so she failed her exam. So is a connector of result. I don't have enough money for this reason. I can't go today. On holiday, sorry. Mary crashed her car. As a consequence, as a result, she has to go to work by bus. So these are all results of things that happened before, like the cause of something. Well, I hope you have understood connectors a little bit more. Follow us on all our social media. My Newton Lab, you can find us on Instagram, Facebook. We've got lots of tips and free materials. Bye.